Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change song order on Spotify playlist. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and go to your Spotify. Then you're gonna go ahead and go to your library, choose your playlist. Then you will find this three dot right over here icon. Go ahead, tap on it. Tap on edit playlist. Now you will find the songs. What you can do is you can simply go ahead, tap on this little minus icon beside them, which will remove it. And you also have this icon. You can tap on select them, and you can move or remove them. So I'm gonna do here, tap on move. Now if I do that, then you can see I can choose it to put on top, or I can choose to put it on bottom, and that will simply go ahead change the listing, right? That's what you can do. All you have to do is simply go ahead, tap on select them, and then you can tap on move, and you can choose to put it on top or put it on bottom according to your requirement. And that's all it takes. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.